G'day guys, how's it going? It's Joel here. So today one of the jobs we've got is to clean out some old stumps, palm tree stumps, and clear out the garden bed for this guy not far from home. So I'll just show you now. So yeah, it's much easier doing it this way instead of you having to spend week after week trying to do it by hand. Trying to pull them out by shovel and whatnot. So yeah, that's the job for today. Cheers. Bye.
Hello, it's Gary from Betta Tree Removal and Earthmoving. We clear lantana and trees and all sorts of things, from 18-inch chipper through the skid steers and excavator, dump truck, and we just tear out the gardens and things like that. This is what they wanted, just it all torn out and just lightly smoothed over so they can finish it up the way they want to. So yeah, instead of spending weekend after weekend smashing away trying to dig out stumps, it's quicker and easier to get us in and get us to do it. Anyway, I'm Gary. Thanks very much for popping in. Please like, please subscribe, please give us a call if you need anything done. 0466 716 830. Bye bye.